Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. Today we're going to try it again. We're trying for the pearl cells, the cloud effect with pearl cells. And I did get me some house paint, and I got some of the Valspar in Satin Ultra White. So hopefully this works. I'm mixing it with the Satin Enamel from DecoArt in the white, and I'm mixing my medium will be the Flotrol as I usually use, and water. And I've mixed up quite a bit. I have 2 cups. Hopefully that's enough. This is I think it's an 8x8. I'm not going to swear to it. Lost the label for it a while ago. So, shall we get to work? And there you have it. No pearl cells, but a really gorgeous painting. It's softer, the colors, yes, even the orange is gorgeous. The teal, yeah, it is a cloud effect, you can tell that, but it just seems softer. And to me, that it's really absolutely beautiful. So it will not be painted over. It will be sticking around. I will be putting a finish on it. And I will be trying again and again for those elusive pearl cells. Not sure what I'm doing wrong, but sure I'm having a fun time figuring it out and getting some gorgeous painting. I want to thank you guys for stopping by for this 5-10 minutes, and I really appreciate you. If you want to know when I do these again, hit that little bell, hit the subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Maybe you know what I'm doing wrong. Any help is always appreciated. So I hope you found that little bit of inspiration, and I really hope you have a wonderful week. And I promise I will be back soon. Bye-bye now.